Hi, everyone. I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. I know that aren't able to gather in large groups as we would normally do during this wonderful holiday, but we can do that next year for sure. I'm very hopeful about the news of the three vaccines so far that seem to be very efficacious. That's a great college word, meaning effective. And I'm thinking that by spring or maybe even summer at the latest, we'll be back in the classroom. And so that's something to be really thankful for. I also just would like to tell you how grateful and thankful I am for all of you, my students. I appreciate your discipline, your ability to keep up with all these assignments with so little teacher contact. I think you're really great students, and I appreciate you. Okay, well, have a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy Native American Heritage Day, which is Friday, also Black Friday, and that might be exciting to some people. Anyway, I hope you have a great, restful time. As you've noticed, I've really lightened up the week for you. So get some rest, okay? They say rest and exercise are the keys to happiness these days. Okay, take care.